My background is in fine art. I was a teacher. I loved teaching, but part of me was always looking for a different challenge, so I was brought onto the team. I oversee instruction and learning for GLOMADO. GLOMADO is an online platform that offers learners the opportunity to take live, small group workshops with instructors from around the globe who share their culture in the creation of hands-on projects. You know, if you can see over my shoulder, my work includes making a lot of awesome projects that I get to line my walls with.
Is it from your farm?
Yes.
My role is working with our instructors, marketing to them, bringing them on board, helping them get set up with their workshops, teaching them how to teach effectively through Zoom, and then just making sure that they're successful and they're happy and the learners are happy and that everything's working out. Michael from Ghana was one of our first instructors.
This is how I'm going to teach them how to make the kashka.
He makes a West African kashaka, which is a hand drum that is part of the culture, and instructs them how to build it, how it's built in his country, and then teaches them how to play it.
That way and that way. That's for the beginners.
We're a very small team that is accomplishing a lot. Close communication is key. We lean on Zoom a lot, so we're communicating throughout the day.
Good.
Excellent.
Isn't that awesome?
Yes.
I really love working with Wayne. He's a great partner and the best person to be building this company with. Watching learners take workshops and make that connection and go forward is so rewarding. It's not just an art class. It's the connection. It's the fact that they had in-depth instruction with someone from another culture. This job was made for me.